Hello there and welcome to the new Python video tutorial, and in this video tutorial I will show you how you can find the help related to the pip command. So you have various pip commands like pip install, pip uninstall and many more like those, and they have various different parameters. Couple of them I have shown you, for example pip list -o in case you are looking for a list of outdated packages, right? So how you can find such details like the complete details of a given command, I will show you in this video, right? So that you can get max out of it. And related to the pip commands, I have been posting a lot of videos. I think close to 6 or 7 videos I've already posted. So you can find a playlist within the description if you are having an interest in looking at other videos as well. Alright, with that, let me show you within Jupyter Notebook what I mean. So here, if you see, I am showing you a list of packages which is installed over here, and if I want outdated packages, I would simply say -o. So what it does is it first looks at the currently installed packages and their respective version, and then it goes to the PyPI site which has the list or the information of the most up-to-date packages with their respective version. So it is fetching those two information. You will see the current version information and the latest version, and that's why it takes a bit of a time to get the output. So with that, how we can see all of the different options like -o, or if there is something else. So to know all of the options or to get the help related to the list command, you have -h. So once you do -h, which is nothing but the help, you get the documentation related to this particular command. So I was using -o, which was outdated, list of outdated packages. But if you want to look at list of up-to-date packages, you can have -u. If you want to look at the list of editable projects, you can look at -e. -l is your local package if in a virtual environment that has global access. In that environment it does not list, or it do not list the globally installed packages. -user, only output packages installed in a user site, so on and so forth. I am leaving it up to you, right? Similarly, over here you have something which is called install, install, and it will show you everything related to the install package. Similarly, uninstall, over here is your uninstall. So you can get whatever information you want based on the different packages that we have been, or different pip commands that we have been I have been showing you over here. So that's about how you can get the help related to a specific command. Another one is very interesting, which was, I think, show. So pip -show h, and this is basically show the the information for a specific package, right? So if you are looking for some more information, you can look at this documentation of this command and get the most out of it. So that's mainly I wanted to show you about how you can get the help related to a Python pip command like pip install, pip show, pip uninstall and whatnot, and get the most out of it. So that's about it, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.